Good combination वही होता है जो end तक साथ दे. Why they used to make the woman wear bread? To give her the energy to make her robust for that day.
शर्मीली सी होती
थी. But now we are all born robust.
Feminist. Let's come to number 4.
Now 4 and 8 I will like to take together because they are almost same qualities. So all those born on 4, 13, 22 and 31 are called number 4s. They are ruled by Uranus, which is a slightly uneasy thing. These people don't have a very easy, comfortable life. They have to always prove themselves. They have to show the world that yes, I am good at my work. And they are really good. They are really good. If you want a good friend, you should make friends with number 4. They'll always be there with you. In fact, my own best friend from childhood, I have one real close friend, even she's a number 4. By chance. At that time, I didn't know numerology and I didn't choose her like that. But yes, they're always standing with you in thick and thin. So number 4 is a very nice number. Their people are very good. But more than anything, I remember the one word is misunderstood. So I always, whenever 4 comes to mind, the next word comes to mind is misunderstood. So these guys, they do a lot for the society. They want to do a lot for the best they want to do for you, but somehow something happens and they're not able to reach there. The women and men of number 4 even get little problem in conceiving a baby. If the mother is a number 4, the father is a number 4. So as I said, I will take 4 and 8 together because the characteristics are almost same. So 4, 13, 22 or 31 if they are called number 4s. 8, 17 and 26 they are number 8s. So थोड़े से इनमें similar qualities होती हैं, especially of lot of misunderstandings. They have to work little harder than others. So I'll give you an example of Preeti Zinta, Urmila Matondkar, Juhi Chawla, Tabbu and Sridevi. No doubt Sridevi was amazing and she reached that height. She was also a Leo. Leos are one. So they have to reach heights. But you saw unfortunate what happened. Then we have Kishore Kumar again, who is a number 4. Unki to puri life is 4, 4, 4, 4. And that's another story we'll do some other time. And he also at the age of 58, he just left us all of a sudden. But what he has left behind, you know, how different he was from others. Same with Preeti Zinta. So she was the first woman to, you know, play that kind of role in Bollywood of an unwed mother in Kya Kehne. And how can I forget Neena Gupta ji, who is a number 4. And she did it in literal so many years back. So that's, you know, so how different you are. So this is one example only of telling you about Neena Gupta ji. We can say at what age she had the guts to keep the baby, grow her up and, you know, face the whole world. So they are so different. They are so nice people. They are so artistic, talented. But they are not a Madhuri Dixit, who is a number 6. They are not a Kareena Kapoor, who is a number 3. They are not a Deepika Padukone, who is a number 5. They are not a Madhubala, who is again number 5. And Kajol, who is a number 5. You know, Aishwarya Rai is a number 1. So see the numbers. What numbers are reaching over there? So all these things have a lot of work. You know, we all know how beautiful, chirpy Juhi Chawla was, but she was never a Madhuri Dixit. You know, you can see the difference.
Yes.
So here what happens then we have the help of your spelling. Everybody doesn't have to get disheartened. I know many people think that I keep on talking about 4s and 8s to dishearten you or, you know, make you feel, oh my God, mera to birthday 4 and nahi. It's just to make you realize how hard you are working and what are you actually gaining. So you can change all that with your spelling, with your lucky numbers, with your lucky colors. You can stop wearing black. Your problems will reduce. And believe me, all the number 4s and 8s, they want to wear black every day. They love black. Black attracts them like crazy. So they tell me, Shweta ji, kuch aur bolo na. I don't want to leave black. Any other option? So they should stop wearing black. That's why we keep talking about these. If you see dates of number 8, whether it is the Bhuj earthquake,
Yes.
whether it was the tsunami, whether it was Coke Brand's accident, there are hundreds and thousands of
26
examples. Kasab, thousands of examples of what a 4 and 8 date also does. So many examples are there. So if you just Google it, you will come to know how many bad things happen on 4s or
You know,
8.
interestingly, मैं कुछ टाइम पहले डॉक्यूमेंट्री देख रही थी on these missing planes.
Yes.
Majority of them
Yes.
vanished around these dates.
Around
13th.
Even their plane number will add up to the Malaysian Airlines ka. You just Google and you will come to know the plane number also added to a number 8. The ones that are missing or they are gone on a date making 4 or a 8. So many things happen and which are not natural. Now this year also Shanika year is going on.
Achha.
Today my friend messaged me while I was traveling here. When is this year going to end? I said, oh, December mein hi khatam hoga. So many accidents.
शनि का year मतलब?
Yeah,
Just for the
because
viewers?
this is 2024 which totals to 8.
Okay.
So this year is also ruled by 8. And today only she messaged me, ये सब क्या हो रहा है? I said, don't scare me. She's saying, I'm just hearing accidents. अभी ये नेपाल में जो हुआ 2 दिन पहले. And just 18 people are off, gone. And she's telling me, ये सब कैसे खत्म हो गया? I said, don't scare me. I'm traveling on expressway. It's raining cats and dogs. But you know how we met and what happened
Yes,
coming here. So, हाँ, it's going a little tough on people. But ठीक है, colors हैं, numbers हैं, change your signature. Your name has so much power that it can always cover up for your date of birth. Whatever birth date you are born into, once we change your spelling, you become the greatest and the bestest.
What are some of the professions that number 8 and number 4 people should take?
They should be in something which they do on their own because they're not really meant for.
Both numbers?
Yeah, they are not really meant for, group work. Corporate office में बैठना है, cubicles में, all these they cannot do. So they should try to do something on their own. Number 4s are always into cameras or movie, media, engineers. Mostly number 4s are very good engineers. They are very innovative, something different. They don't want to do the routine. They have to think out of the box. They're always out of the box. They don't know what a box is. So they are very good in calculations, media, anything gadgets. Gadgets के ऊपर काम करेंगे, laptop all the time.
अच्छा.
They're never away from their phone or laptop. And all these new apps that you see, most of them have been developed by number 4 people.
अच्छा.
Bill Gates is the number 1, and number 1 is always, we never say number 1 alone. A number 1 is more like a number 4, and a number 4 is also very much like a number 1.
Okay.
So Bill Gates,
Mirror image आप कह सकते
you can say mirror image. And Bill Gates is, Microsoft. Apple तो है ही, but Microsoft तो सबका बाप है. Last week what happened, you saw, it was all down and I was also stuck at the airport. Flights delayed, everything. So कब से Bill Gates is into computers and these things. So these guys they always do different things and good things for the society. They are very good as NGOs. They should have their own NGOs. They are very much into social service, doing for the nation, doing for people around them. One big name is Sri Ravi Shankar. He is also born on the 13th of May. So spiritual line suits them, occult suits them. They do very good in areas where they are giving service to people. And they sometimes make very good businessmen as well. It's not that they are not good businessmen, they are very good.
Typically number 1s were associated with business.
Yes, 1, 3. These guys तो are fully into it, but इनके पास भी बहुत दिमाग रहता है.
अच्छा.
But their luck factor के वजह से ना, they get little bit गड़बड़. So their lucky colors are same as the colors of the sun, and white, yellow, orange, blue. Unlucky colors सब numbers के same है. Black. First of all black. Secondly red कम से कम use करो. नहीं हो सकता है तो नहीं use करो.
अच्छा.
Red also you see ना, it's on the signal one red light. We stop. Danger board, it is in red light. Sindoor on a woman's head, little bit, एक चुटकी. You don't have to really be fully loaded in red.
But what if I'm a bride and I want to wear red on my wedding?
उस जमाने में, why they used to make the woman wear red? To give her the energy.
Okay.
To give her energy, to make her robust for that day.
अच्छा.
But
क्योंकि शर्मीली सी होती
थी. But now we are all born robust.
Feminist.
We are all already Shernis. So red used to be given for that, to give them the energy for that particular first night or whatever you said. So that's okay, Suhagan ki nishani. But then again, as I said, one chutki, not more. Red also should be avoided as much as possible.
Okay.
Number 4 should wear gomed. Gomed is their lucky stone. Yeah, they're very artistic, so they should also be in art. I named so many film stars. I named Kishore Kumar ji. So 4 also is very artistic. So again for them it is 1, 2, 4 and 7. Also 6 is very lucky for them. But 4 is one of their numbers, but don't use it as your lucky number. But it's there for you.
Okay. So ma'am, for example, if I'm looking for a partner, I'm a number 4. Can I get married to a number 4?
Absolutely, you should avoid. But
अच्छा.
unfortunately, यही एक दूसरे को attract करते हैं. Numbers attract each other. My father was a number 2, I'm a number 2, I got a daughter who's a number 2. The same family of numbers mostly रहता है, mostly. Same numbers will keep cropping up into your life.
Okay.
So 4 की life में 4 अगर see again I always say this, अगर आपकी शादी हो गई है, don't go and divorce because I said it. और जिनकी नहीं हुई है, तो please avoid marrying 4 or an 8. So if you're a number 4, you should marry. The best number for you would be 1 or 6. So now comes your number 5. So 5, 14 and 23 are the second best number after 6. They're as lucky as 6. You must be knowing I'm always promoting 6, 6, 6. But 5 is equally good. They get everything they want. They're very creative. They're very artistic. Actually, it's a very good number to be born under. It's Mercury. फिकिल होता है थोड़ा फिकिल होता है, but that quality is required for you to reach great heights. का एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, because they are so good at so many things, getting the line of work कि मैं जिंदगी में exactly करूँ क्या, that gets difficult for them. I'm sure you have faced that from childhood.
You know better.
So once you know, even I'm a number 5 because I'm a Gemini.
Okay.
I finally got to be a numerologist at the age of 38. I changed my spelling from Shweta Tripathi to Shweta Jumani. Started practicing numerology professionally at 38. Till 38, I never worked in a corporate office. I never liked 9 to 5 jobs because I'm a Mercury, I'm a Gemini, I'm also ruled by Mercury, the planet of number 5.
अच्छा.
But still, I could never work for anybody. And same, you are also facing, you're doing your own thing at your own timing and your own way. So number 5, again here they have a problem who are stuck in corporate jobs. They fag out very easily, they're not happy. And every few years they'll keep changing their jobs. Till one day they finally realize that this is the best for me. And once they realize that, फिर मजे ही मजे.
अच्छा.
They are very good speakers, they are very good in politics, they are very good actors, they are very good. I just told you Deepika Padukone, Kajol, Madhubala, they are all number 5. So they are good at many. And you know how many businesses Deepika is doing?
No.
Many.
Skin
care है. I heard epigamia में भी है.
अच्छा.
She has many eggs in the basket. So she's doing many businesses. They're never happy with just doing what they're doing.
So other professions?
They can do anything.
अच्छा.
Number 5 is the only guy who can have a nice steady job and side में 3 more businesses.
Okay.
They're so smart.
Okay.
इनका drawback है that they are very attracted to fast money, quick money, get rich quickly. This is what is there in their mind. Easy shortcut. Shortcut मारना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So they are putting their money in share market, losing, getting disappointed. So they try to do that. They want easy money. And they should be very careful. Speculation, gambling, all these things are not for you. Don't do it. Not for anybody.
Okay.
Easy money किसको मिला है? और easy आता है तो it goes also easily. So make sure you're not into that. Work hard, do good, be consistent. Yes, this is one word I want to say to number 5s. Try to be consistent in whatever you're doing. बहुत easily distract हो जाते हैं. Then they keep moving here and there and trying. अच्छा ये business नहीं चल रहा है, let's go somewhere and try this. ये चलेगा क्या? ये चलेगा क्या? Travel is something they love. Speed, फटाफट सब हो जाना चाहिए.
So travel businesses will be good for them.
It'll be very good for them. Travel, media, restaurants, hotel, tourism, anywhere where there is movement and all high quality. Now 6 and 5, इन दोनों को high end चीजें पसंद है. They don't like anything छोटा मोटा. Even in the छोटा मोटा business करेंगे, when they are meeting normal people making a lot of money, but no, they would rather make less money, but move with the elite crowd, be in 5 stars or have lovely offices here and Dubai and America. They like that kind of classy things, and they are very good at that. They can do it very well.
Okay.
Very good speakers. Narendra Modi ji is ruled by number 5, and we have seen in his short span he saw the entire world, and he was only flying initially when he came, and very fond of travel and good speakers. Their lucky numbers are all except 9. They should avoid number 9. Yes, again, for marital, partnership, house number, office number, car number, mobile number, avoid number 9. But if it is already your life partner, if number 9 is your parents or your children, you can't avoid them.
Okay.
And lucky colors are all light pastel shades like the one you are wearing today. Dark colors, they should wear only green and blue. Baki koi bhi dark colors they should try to avoid.
Okay.
Stone for them is an emerald, a green stone. Everybody knows an emerald. That's a very good stone. It enhances their communication skills and any finer qualities, whatever good qualities you have, usko aur fine kar denge. So emerald is a very good stone for them. Got it. They can also wear diamonds. Now, as you know, my favorite number. People say that's my favorite number, and it is. This is Kalyug. Shukra ka hi zamana chal raha hai. So 6 number is one of the best numbers. It gives you everything. So all the people who are born on 6, 15 or 24 are number 6 people ruled by the planet Venus. Planet of love, name, fame, dance, beauty. Walt Disney, Madhuri Dixit, Sachin Tendulkar, Neerav Chopra. It can't be a coincidence that Sachin and Neerav are born on 24. Madhuri is a number 6.
Alia Bhatt also, I believe.
Alia Bhatt is a number 6. Her daughter Raha is a number 6. Priyanka's daughter is a number 6. ये तो अभी इनको पता चल गया है ना secrets. So that's why we don't call it a secret. We don't call it a secret. Our family is blessed, chosen by the God, that we unravel the mystery of numbers and just keep it out in the open. Because ये सब दब जाता था. पहले के ज़माने से people like to hide things. They don't really say it as openly as we do. So we want to unravel everything and keep it in front of you so that everybody benefits. And you also know, being our client, you're already being Jomanified, you have seen the results. But you know so many people who don't even pay us. तुमने तो payment किया था. There are so many who have not paid us, but still they have just benefited by looking at our videos, following so many tips that we keep giving all the time. So 6 is one number. Here I would like to cover up 24 also. 6 is one of the most beautiful number. If you're a number 6 person, you know that compared to other people, life is better for me. People get attracted to me. I get all the things little easier than my friends and colleagues. Of course, there are exceptions to every rule. ऐसा नहीं है कि number 6 हो तो तुम्हारे को कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. You're not born with a bulletproof jacket. Even if you're a number 6, you are bound to have problems. Sachin has gone out for zeros so many times. So it's not that you will never have any problems. Madhuri Dixit has had her flops, but she is Madhuri Dixit. So she's a double number 6, born on 15. She's a Tauran. So again, she's number 6, same like Sachin Tendulkar, who's 24th of April, born on 6, but again a Tauran. So 6, double 6, these two are double 6. Walt Disney was a number 6. The name Walt Disney totals to a number 6.
Just like Shah Rukh Khan's.
Just like, you reminded. I forgot. I don't know how I forgot my Shah Rukh Khan.
I know. You're a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan.
So yeah, Shah Rukh Khan is one person who is just born lucky. I know he doesn't like it. I heard him saying, लोग बोलते हैं तेरी बीवी लकी है तेरे लिए, तेरे गाने लकी हैं तेरे लिए. मैं कुछ नहीं करता हूँ क्या? I said, of course तुम करते हो, but then by default, on birth certificate, if you get a name totaling to 42, see the magic he has done with his hard work. Hard work to zaruri hai. But we always keep promoting. Just because you're a number 6 doesn't mean you will not work hard. You have to bloody work hard. You cannot go to sleep, I'm a number 6, सब कुछ आ जाएगा. But yes, ये 24 लिखने से बहुत कुछ आता है जो कभी हमने सोचा नहीं था. So it happens.
इस 24 का significance बता दीजिए viewers के लिए.
Yeah. So now there is 6, there's 15, there's 24, there's 33, 42. My favorite is 24 because there are only 24 hours in the world. You're rich, you're poor, you're गरीब, अमीर, whatever you are, Hindu, Muslim, तुम कुछ भी हो, तुमको भगवान ने सिर्फ 24 hours दिए हैं to go there, make your mark, make fruitful that particular day. 24 के तो अनगिनत numbers हैं. I think you should watch the whole video of mine on YouTube. There are innumerable benefits of writing 24 below your thumb. Whether it is health, whether it is wealth, whether it is money, whatever you want. So many people have told me 24 लिख के court case पे गया था.
अच्छा.
Everything came my way.
Oh.
I'll tell you a very funny incident. Last week it happened. So this guy calls me. My father has been said to do angiography, and you know I've seen cases. उधर check करते हैं and immediately they'll put a stent and sometimes bypass and whatnot. I said now you do Shanti. He was all right. He was just panting and also doctor said कल angiography करते हैं. And I said just write a 24 on the heart. Next morning he calls up that angiography का result nil निकला. He has very normal and minimal blockages that doesn't need any surgery. This just happened last week. I mean, at least I am 58, so I have many relatives in my family who have gone through all this. So कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि किसी की एंजियोग्राफी में डॉक्टर ने घर जाने दिया है. Most of the times it is either a stent or bypass even. But इसको बोला go home, nothing है.
तो क्या ये सब कर सकते हैं जिनको बीमारी है वो उस पार्ट
पे लिखो. बैक एक, हेड एक, जहाँ छोटे मोटे. But for big things, please consult your doctor. You have to write on that affected part. So many people have told me leg pain ठीक हो गया, knee pain ठीक हो गया, shoulder ठीक हो गया, just by writing 24. So it's a beautiful, again it is for everybody. फिर आप बोलोगे कि सबको क्यों? Many clients ask me, आप तो सबको सेम चीज बोलते हो. ऐसे पानी भी हम सेम ही पी रहे हैं ना, कौन सा अलग अलग टैप से पानी आ रहा है हमारे लिए. So all good things, all bad things, whether it is cancer, whether it is any calamity, it's all common. Earthquake आता है तो थोड़ी देखता है कि कौन है भाई तू. It comes for everybody, no? So 24 is for everybody.
Okay.
Some people use 33 like my brother and Hardik Pandya. They like to 33 suits them, so they use 33. But mostly 24 सबको suit करता है.
अच्छा.
If not, you can try 33 or 42. मगर यही 3 नंबर मैं recommend करती हूँ. And really it has spread from so many foreign countries. You have seen Varun Dhawan with a 24 behind his neck. He had tattooed it.
Achha.
Then I've seen Anupam Kher's one picture sitting like this. There was a 24. Priyanka Chopra wrote it once, I think, during the Kobe Bryant incident. But what surprised me about Pakistani serial ka, somebody sent me a small cutting about that serial. There's a Pakistani serial and somebody sitting like this with a 24 number. So
24 in the hand.
Yeah. Tarke Wafa was the name of the serial. I don't watch, but somebody sent me a short cutting. And it's really made me happy. One thing I want, what we came here to do, we have almost done quite a bit, but abhi bahut baki hai. But still, what I really want to spread to this world is number 24 and color blue. ये सब को अच्छा है. Peace of mind मिलेगा, पैसा मिलेगा, whatever you want you get.
So you may be any number, but color blue is good for everyone.
Yeah, because you're all living under the blue sky. God has not made a different sky for other numbers. So blue sky, the blue umbrella is same for all of us. Blue suits everybody, white suits everybody, and 24 suits everybody.
Blue के all shades या ऐसा होता है light या dark?
All shades of blue.
अच्छा.
So that day I had a guy on my YouTube. You're keeping on promoting 24 ma'am. मगर आपका तो खुद के followers इतने कम हैं. You don't have more than 2-3 lakh followers. Thankfully, I have 2-3 lakh followers and I'm busy 24/7. If I had maybe 100 times more followers, I would be finished. Because now, even with these many followers, touch wood, we are doing so pretty well in life by the grace of God. So maybe it will not show there. But life is good, life is beautiful, life is peaceful. So the 24 keeps you very balanced and nice. I don't know, something happens. I just love it. So blue is the color for number 6. Diamonds are their stones. They should wear diamonds. All those guys who are number 6 and cannot afford a diamond can wear opal, which is a substitute of diamond. Amitabh Bachchan ji is also wearing an opal from a very long time. So a number 6 wife will be so loving, so caring. पूरा घर साफ करेगी, आपको गरम गरम खाना देगी. It's nice to have a number 6 woman in the house. She's a bit demanding. You have to complete her wishes.
High maintenance.
High maintenance, but then it's really worth it. And I say this for every woman. The man has to first treat his woman with love, dignity. Not only his wife, his mother, his sister, his daughter, and of course his Ardhangani, the most important part of his life. If she asks you for 1 sari, you should buy her 3 if you can afford it. Never say I can't afford it. Never say kitna saris kharidti hai. Never say how many more sets do you want. You just bought a gold set or a diamond set. Never say such things. Just buy for your wives. See the changes that will come. And if you're buying for your wife, you need to buy for your mom also. And
That's a good thing you mentioned it.
वो करना पड़ेगा. सिर्फ फिर बीबी को खुश करोगे, फिर मामा को दुखी मत करो. मैं ना always sandwich ना, so थोड़ा balance रखना पड़ता है. So yes, the more your wife is demanding, the more those guys work hard also, and Lakshmi comes to them. Venus attracts Venus, gold attracts gold. So keep buying, keep spending. I have lived like that. Today I have, by the grace of God, I have power to spend. But even when I didn't, when my husband was in the armed forces, you have been there, so you know on what constant
I am there.
You are still there, so you know that वो 1 तारीख को जो पैसा आता है 20 से पहले, it is all gone. But we maintain a good lifestyle even then by the grace of God. So उस ज़माने में भी I was never bothered about my future, और इतना थोड़ा पैसा है उसमें भी ऐश करते थे. So ऐश करना is very important. Going out, partying, ऐश करना doesn't mean in the wrong sense. I mean have fun. Enjoy your youth, enjoy your today. Saving करके बुढ़े हो जाओगे, and you're not really having a good time when you're still young. 6 numbers don't live like that. 6 numbers go and spend. 10 रुपया होता है तो 20 खर्चा करके आ जाते हैं. They're very artistic. As I just told you, so many examples. So they are very good in business. Hotel industry attracts them. Restaurants, resorts. They like all these things.
Finer things of life.
Finer things of like jewelry.
Okay.
ये सब चीजों में बहुत रहते हैं.
अच्छा.
Designing में.
Okay.
They are very good at it.
And business या salaried या कुछ भी चलेगा?
They are mostly in business.
Okay.
Yeah, they love animals. So dog breeding भी करेंगे और कुछ नहीं तो jewelry करेंगे, buying selling करेंगे. They like entertainment industry as well. So they are always connected to restaurants, entertainment and these things. Their lucky numbers are 3, 6 and 9.
Okay.
Their lucky color is blue, and that is why I tell everybody use blue, because 6 के जैसे हम सब lucky होना चाहते हैं.
अच्छा. And marriage partners?
3, 6 या 2.
2.
9 भी एक हद तक
Okay,
ठीक
like
है.
Gauri Khan and Shah Rukh Khan.
Gauri is a number 8, but she is a Libra.
Ah.
And because she is a Libra, she is a number 6.
Okay.
He is a Scorpio, so he is a number 9.
Okay.
So that has kept them. The first thing was that, and till today it is that.
Okay.
That 6 है, 9 है. That is why the connection is there.
अच्छा.
And also I told you 6 के साथ 2 बहुत अच्छा होता है.
जी.
So 2, he is a number 2 and she is a number 6. So it's a good combination.
Okay.
Good combination वही होता है जो end तक साथ दे.
जी,
That's called a
बिल्कुल,
good
बिल्कुल.
combination.